stack. Our course is UI full stack with React. So that is our course, UI full stack with React. Any doubts are there? At the end of session, I will take all the doubts, right? If you have any doubts. So you keep noted your doubts, and at the end of session, I will get back. So if you have any doubts, you can ask one by one, right? So our current course is UI full stack with React. This is our course. And what is this means, what you are going to learn, everything step by step we will see, we will understand. Actually, first few important questions are there. Generally, first question everybody asks. So who can learn this course? That means what are the prerequisites? So who can learn this UI full stack with web development? That is the first question. Generally, many times people have doubts like I am from non-technical background or I am from other technical background. I have some years of gap. I am not doing anything from several years and I want to now make a career. Can we learn this course? Actually, UI full stack and whatever concepts we are learning here, anyone can learn this. That means you may be belonging to technical, you may be belonging to non-technical background, right? Anyone can learn. Generally, how job opportunities are present, I will explain. I will show you that. So for UI full stack, we don't have any priority. Like you should come from technical background, non-technical background. Even companies also, they don't check whether you are from technical or non-technical. So anybody can learn this with any gap in your education. So you want to make a career from several years, you are not doing anything. Now you want to learn some course. This is enough. That means this course is best suitable for that. You can easily handle it. That means because many people with non-technical background, they are afraid of programming. Programming because logical programming, so many concepts will be there. Here you can manage everything with a little bit knowledge of basic computers. You can easily manage all concepts. Everything we will learn detailedly. So here we will teach everything step by step. Even we will teach programming. So step by step, everything we will learn. So there is no problem. Anybody can learn this course. Okay. I hope this point is clear because first, many people are very much afraid of whether I need to learn any language. Prior to this, what we have to learn? Prior to this, you can learn anything. That means no need of any prior knowledge. For example, if you come to technologies like Java, .NET and all these, usually you should have prior knowledge of some basic language and all. But for UI full stack with React, you don't need to learn any technologies earlier. We will teach everything from scratch here. You don't need to have any prior knowledge. Okay. Second important doubt, second important point is what we are going to learn here. That means course content I will explain. Actually, here we are going to divide this course into two parts. We will have front end development and back end development. We are going to divide into two parts. So front end development and back end development. These are the two parts. In this front-end development, we are going to learn topics like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, Tailwind, so SAS, JavaScript, jQuery, TypeScript, and React. These all topics we are going to learn in the front end. These all topics we are going to learn in the front end. So in front end, we are going to teach all this. In HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, Tailwind, SAS, every concept, what detailedly you are going to learn, I will share a course content. At the end of this session, I will share a community. You join that community. There I will share everything related to course. Course content I will share so that you can check detailed topics. What we are going to discuss detailedly, you can check. So course content. So in this, now many people have a question like how much we learn all these concepts. That means how much we learn all these concepts means how much HTML, how much CSS we learn. So we will learn 100% of everything. That means not like normal, basic, not like advanced. We don't classify like that. You are learning HTML means complete HTML. All latest, advanced, everything you are going to learn. You are learning JavaScript means complete JavaScript. So advanced, new, all whatever are there up to now, you are going to learn. And everything you are going to learn latest version. Latest version we are going to learn. Many people have doubt like how much percent of JavaScript we learn, how much percent of React we learn. We learn everything. Everything A to Z, whatever a developer needs in real-time project. And remember, the content is designed in such a way that this content is not just for a learner. This is for developers. That means from a basic learner to an extreme experienced developer, what he need to know in these areas, everything we are going to learn. Everything. That means even if you want to put some 10, 15 years experience in a technology, what questions they ask, how the ask questions, everything you will able to manage after this. That means our topics will be related to all real world development process. That means in real world to develop projects, what they need, everything you are going to learn here. So this is not just only for freshers. This is both from fresher to experience because when we start this type of courses, usually many people from other countries and from our country, they join this course who are already developers. Already they are developers of different technologies and they want to learn all the latest concepts. They want to learn the new concept. They want to shift their career into a new technology. That is the reason our target will be not just for learning, it is for complete real time develop. That means we are not just teaching you a technology for knowing about the technology. We are teaching you a technology to work in a real time environment. How real time environment applications are used in the same way we are going to do everything. Whatever concepts are required for real time projects, everything we are going to learn. So 100% of front end we are going to learn. That is in the back end development. I told you detailed course content I will share with you in the community. Means in React what topics, in JavaScript, what topics, everything will be in that content. You can see, you can check with that. Okay. Next, in backend development, we are going to learn about MongoDB, and we are going to learn about Express.js, Node.js. These we are going to learn in the backend, MySQL. These are the topics we are going to learn. MongoDB, MySQL, Node.js, Express.js. Don't worry about what these are. What these are, how they work, I will explain. Everything we will learn step by step, we will see. So in the backend, you are going to learn these topics: MongoDB, Express.js, Node, and MySQL. Now the question is, how much percent we learn about this? Here, we are not going to learn everything about this. We are going to learn 80% of them. Why 80%? Because backend technologies are very huge. They are very huge. And your job profile is what? UI full stack developer. That means majority your interview, your job will be in front end, not in the back end. So people, I will explain different full stack. Java full stack, .NET full stack, Python full stack. People are having different full stack and everybody confused about them. I will explain details and differences. You will understand. So in UI full stack, UI developer major role is front end. That means your interviews will be on front end. Your job will be on front end. So your entire lifetime work majority will be in the front end. That means you need to be perfect in the front end. So front end concepts, everything we will learn 100%. In the back end concept, we will learn 80%. 80% is too much, enough for real time projects. But you are not asked on them very much in interviews. You are not tested on them very much in interviews. Just they need knowledge from you. They need a knowledge from you. They just check that you know them. And they just check that you know them, how to handle them in real time project. You don't need to be expert in them. But in front end technologies, you need to be expert. You need to be expert in front end technology. That means you need to able to manage everything in the front end. So our main concentration will be on UI technology. That means front end. Back end 80%, because all these tools are very huge. You know, MySQL, MongoDB. MySQL is a database. Generally, a database like Oracle and all, it will take at least 3-4 months only for database. If you have to be expert in database, it will take at least 2-3 months only for database. And that much in-depth knowledge is required if you want to apply for jobs as a database developer. You want profile like that. But a full stack developer not required. For a full stack developer, half 50% knowledge is enough. But we will learn more in depth, little, so that we can manage everything up to 80%. We can handle all these backend technologies, right? So we are going to learn this. And why we say 80%? Because we are not going to be specialized in Node.js, but we will handle everything required for Node.js in real-time project. But specialized in Node.js means they need more depth knowledge. They have to learn more concept. And remember, once anybody learns 80%, rest 20%, he can explore by himself whenever situation comes. Whenever his company asks him to learn more, then he can learn the 20% by himself. That's not a problem. So our main course is UI full stack. That means our main concentration should be on front end. This is completely on front end. And along with this, you are going to learn about some concepts additionally, like you will learn about deployment. You will learn about testing. When we learn React and all, you are going to learn about deployment and testing. Deployment is nothing but Making our applications live. We will learn how to build applications. How do we make applications live? Actually, you will learn deployment on cloud. So we have cloud like we learn about GitHub pages. We learn about GitHub pages. We learn about Firebase, GitHub. These are all cloud. That means you are going to learn about this cloud. So we will have a knowledge on MongoDB, Atlas. All these are related to cloud related some concept. Actually, in cloud, we have concepts like Azure, AWS, and all. Those we are not going to handle because they are cloud technologies. So here we will give introduction to cloud. That means how much cloud you will learn is whatever you have built, you can deploy live. That means whatever you design, you can deploy live. Live means anybody can watch, anybody can use, anybody can see. We can deploy loud on cloud. So testing, how to test applications, how we deploy applications, this all comes under this topic. So you are going to learn all these topic in the front end. These are the topics in the back end. You will learn deployment and testing, and so you will learn about some projects also. We are going to do some projects. Remember, project is the last concept, but before projects, project is last thing you are going to do. But before project, when you are learning this front end tools, back end tools, here, what we will teach you here is, here we will teach module wise projects. Here we will teach module wise projects. Module wise projects means by the end of HTML, you will able to build a small website, right? That means by the end of HTML and CSS, you will build a website with HTML and CSS. That means topic wise, module wise, we will learn every concept. Not only that, actually, we are going to learn here POCs also. We will give POCs. POC is proof of concept. Proof of concept are very important for these days learners. Why? Because see, generally when you attend interviews as a experience, these proof of concepts are important. Generally, when anybody learns a technology, we how we ask in interviews, I will tell you. Generally, fresher experience interview. How fresher and experience interview is? For example, for fresher, we will ask, what is a browser? You are using internet. What is a browser? In general, what is a browser? Browser is a tool through which users can open websites, web applications, and watch them, interact with them. That is, for a fresher, he need to know that browser is a tool. By using the browser tool, he can open websites and all. For experienced people, what we ask is explain browser architecture, how it works. That means when I type something in address bar and hit enter, how it loads a page. What is the architecture of browser? How it functions, how it presents everything. This is type of question we ask. For every concept, we need a proof. We call them proof of concept. For example, generally programming learning people, gen, I'm explaining. Suppose you are learning OOP languages, object oriented programming. We have one topic, inheritance. Now, generally, we will ask, like, what is inheritance? Okay, he will tell about inheritance. These days in interviews, what they ask is, okay, show me the proof of this inheritance with a program. You are explaining me something, don't explain, show me through practical. That means we don't want any explanation from you because those days are gone. We want a proof of concept. That means you know about the topic, show me. in real world where we use this, how we use this. Explain me with a example. That is the reason whenever we learn every topic, for every topic we will learn proof of concept. That means when we teach you some topics in JavaScript, jQuery, TypeScript or React, everywhere we will see proof of concepts. We will learn about proof of concept. That means topic wise, some programs. Those programs will teach us how the topic is used in a real time, where it is used, how it works, everything we have to learn. Because as I told you, this course is targeted for both experienced as well as freshers. So they need to know both. You need to learn in depth about the concept. So we need to teach you this. At the end, what we do is we will do project. Actually, we will plan for two projects. One project we will do with jQuery. Another project we will do with React. We will do two projects. Those two projects we will decide at that situation. That means at the end, because during our learning process, which topics we learn, based on that, at the end, we will decide which project we will do, right? We can do multiple projects. So two projects we will prepare, and one with jQuery, another one with React. So jQuery means not just only jQuery, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery. With these are complete full stack applications. Huh? These are complete full stack application. These are full stack applications. That means both jQuery and React full stack application. Full stack application means end to end, from database to front end, how to design. Everything we are going to learn here. So we are going to build two projects. So one is jQuery based, another one is React. Two projects we will learn. And module wise, anyhow, we will do several projects. Module wise, so many templates and everything we will do. As I told you, we will all concentrate on real world example. That means we will take a website like Amazon. We will try to build that interface. We will take an example of Netflix. We will try to build that interface. That means we will take some real world projects. We will try to recreate them. Then you will get a clarity on all the technology that you are learning. So these are all the topics we are going to learn. I hope you are clear, right? So in front end, these are the topics, and in the back end, these are the topics. Along with them, we will learn about cloud deployment testing. We will learn about few projects. And now the main point is duration. That means how much time it will take to learn all these concepts and understand. Maximum, we have to plan everything for 4 months. 4 months to 5 months it will take. That depends on how you plan 4 to 5 months. Why? Because whatever concepts I have given in the list, really to learn all of them, to handle them, it will even take 1 year in general. Because at any IIT level also, a full stack course means it will take at least say 8 months, 1 month, 8 months, 9 months, 1 year also. That's very common thing, because at IIT level also these courses are offered by various IITs, right? So generally there are too many topics here. How you finish in 4 months or 5 months, I will explain the process. We will guide you. Actually, when you are learning, up to HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, Tailwind, JavaScript, up to this topic, you will attend daily one session. Up to this, you will attend daily one session. That means every day, 5 p.m. batch, right? Every day we will have 1.5 hour session. During demos, we will have short sessions. Once we start, we will increase the time. So minimum session duration will be 1.5 hours every day. After that, we take doubts, we talk to the people, we clarify doubts and everything, right? And after you completed JavaScript, now you need to attend 2 batches daily. One backend batch will be going on, another front end React, jQuery, these batches will be going on. Up to JavaScript, only one. Every day, one batch is enough because in the beginning, you can't handle multiple at a time. So, first, you have to be perfect in the concepts. And after JavaScript is completed, you will attend 2 batches. One backend batch, another React. React and other topics you will learn. Simultaneously, you have to learn both. That is your choice. Some people, because some people are in very hurry. Remember, this one major point is for learners, we need to tell this very clearly. If you are in a hurry, this course is not for you. If you are here to finish the course, then you are not ready as a software developer. So remember, these days for software developers in interviews, very complicated concepts are asked, very in-depth concepts are asked. You just think that you will know about concept overview and you will go to interview. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. You can't crack interviews and all. You need to learn very depth. At least for 4 months, you need to have a lot of patience in learning the concept. If you are in a hurry to finish the course, then you are not eligible as a software developer, because majority of people, when they join the course, what question they ask? Sir, when it will finish? If you are having that type of mindset, these type of courses are not for you. Why? Because you can't handle them, because lot of concept is there. Everything you need to manage, and it is not difficult. It is easy. It is easy, but lot of content is there. You need to spend time. And if you can parallelly attend both, suppose you think that I am unable to do parallelly two batches, I can't manage at a time, no problem. You can do one after another. If you plan one after another, then 1 month increase. Understood? That is completely depend on you. Sometimes some people are over excited and very hurry, like I want to finish very fast. Then for such people, we will say that, okay, no problem. You attend 5 batches per day and finish in 1 month. Go, run away. Right? That opportunity also we will give. That means you are in very hurry. You want to finish very fast. So you think yourself you can manage very fast. Then we will send you to 5 or 5 batches at a time, or you can finish all at a time. Right? But 100% we will guarantee that such people cannot crack interviews, because in a hurry you are doing anything, it is not enough. You need to detailly, that means you need to keep patience, because see, job opportunities are so many are there. I will show you here. I will share our Naresh IT community also. I will share here with you about, see, you can check my Instagram group. This is my Instagram group. You can check my Instagram group. I will share this Instagram group with you. So this is my Instagram group. You can check that. Means why I am sharing this Instagram group is, whenever you are learning the course, this is my Instagram group. You can follow this. I will show you. Generally, you are learning in Naresh IT. From past 24-25 years, I am training. In Naresh IT itself, now I am in my 14th year, 1-4. And total 20-24 years, we are teaching. Lakhs of people trained under us. hundreds, thousands of batches, lakhs of people trained under us. Many students of ours, old students, they are CEO of companies, startups, overseas, in India, many people. Usually they all keep in touch with us. What they do, whenever in their company they have some opportunities, that means like they want some web developers. They don't post anything in Naukri sites and all. So they will simply ping us saying that, sir, I am your old student. 10 years back, I learned this from you, and I am having a company now. And in my company, I need few developers on this technology. So you recommend some of your students. Such job opportunities, what we do is we will post in this community group. I will post regularly. I will post them, and this is not for outsiders. Only Naresh IT students with their valid ID card only they can apply to this work. And only for them they will conduct interview. And sometimes when we recommend anybody that this person is good at this, they will not even conduct interview. They will simply appoint, right? And there are many opportunities I will show here. This is the opportunities you can see. I will show. You can follow this, and in this I am posting my, yeah, you can see these are all job postings I have given regularly. All you will find majority job postings only. All are job postings, and these all job postings only for our students, not for outsider. Even outsider applies, they don't consider them. And you can observe here, when you see the job postings, you will see, you can check here. You see how they ask. So this job, qualification, any qualification, percentage of marks 60. Some companies even they don't ask for qualification, means percentage also, right? And you can see, you can check all of them. So you can check all of these. I will show you here. Yeah, you can check all these. You can check all these job opportunities and qualification. You see UI full stack, and you will see that many of these people are got placed. You see qualification, any percentage, any year passed out, any degree, right? And these are all startup companies and all. These are all the people got placed into our various companies. And remember, many of our people get placed into companies with just profile HTML, CSS, JavaScript. With only JavaScript also jobs are there. With only JavaScript also jobs are available. Only the problem is we don't have good skilled people. That is the problem. So many are worried about jobs are not there. Jobs are there. Skilled people are not there for jobs. That means if you have good skills practically, then you are suitable for so many jobs. So we will show you. Actually, every 2 months we will conduct a screening test. That means you are learning the course. Every 2 months we conduct one screening test. In that screening test, we will select people. After selecting, those selected people are given a free project oriented training, and we will place those people in companies. Free. Why free? Because many of our Naresh IT clients ask for developers. So what we do is we don't directly send them, we filter them here itself. We filter them here itself and we will place them. And we select good qualified people in technology, good learn means people who have learned the technology perfectly. Then we will send to those companies. So you can check here. You can check here all the jobs, then you will understand that you don't need to finish complete course. You just finish HTML, CSS, you can be placed in a company. Many job opportunities will be just with HTML, JavaScript also, right? So just I showed you the point. I showed you the concept here to make you understand, right? So this is the concept. This is the complete concept about your course. I hope you are clear. So what we are going to learn? We are going to learn front end, back end, and with some tools, cloud based and everything we are going to learn. And it will take 4 to 5 months. And if you parallelly do, you will finish by 4 months. One after another, you plan to do 1 month extra, it will go. You have to do that by 5 months, right? It depends completely. It depends on how you can manage your course. Okay. Next, important. I hope up to this you are clear. You understood the concept. Now, many people have another doubt is another important doubt many people have is what is difference difference between difference between various full stack courses. This is another question, another doubt people have, because you see in the market people say Java full stack, am I right? People say like .NET full stack, am I right? Like people say Python full stack, and you have here UI full stack. Like that, so many full stack are there. People are confused about which one to learn. That means many times people come and ask like, which one I should learn? Is it Java full stack, .NET full stack, Python full stack? Remember, actually, in companies anywhere, the first priority for Java, .NET, and Python like people, these are all full stack courses, right? The first priority here is for technical people. I am not saying that non-technical people cannot learn, but first priority technical. Java, .NET, because these are high level languages. You need more skills in language. I am not saying that people without skills are suitable for other. I am saying that if you are already working in a technical background, your entire education happened through a technical career, and you have good sense in programming and all, you learnt everything in the education level, then these are best for you. Best for you. That means you can join these, you will get maximum about the technology here, and you can get jobs also. But here, first priority always company prefer whom? Technical people. Second priority they give for non-technical people. And another point here is in these courses, Java full stack, .NET full stack, Python full stack, these courses, you will learn only, so you can say 50% only front end, 50% only front end, because their main concentration will be back end. They learn 100% back end. They learn 100% back end. Their main work is back end, not in the front end. They know front end. That means, remember, a Java, .NET, PHP, Python, these people also know JavaScript. Their JavaScript, your JavaScript is completely different. Different in the sense your knowledge of JavaScript and their knowledge of JavaScript, you can't compare at all. That means just from your knowledge of JavaScript, they will have only 4 5% only. Those people about JavaScript. Here you will have complete everything front end. Our main concentration front end, their main concentration will be back end. Remember, they are also very good, but they are very good for technical background people because they give first priority to them. Non-technical people also doing it, them, no problem. But second priority they will get. And if you are very much interested in complex programming skills, you are okay to learn very complicated programming. You can tune your brain to handle complicated logics. Then You can choose the career into Java, .NET, Python like full stack. So you are not very great with all that. You just want to get a good job in all with minimum programming skills, then UI full stack is best. Here also programming is there, but this is enough. You can easily manage. Anybody can handle it. So there and us difference is that in UI full stack already I told you now. In UI full stack, majority our concentration will be on front end. So and at 80%, however, we will learn the back end, right? So that is the difference between different full stack. Many people ask like, do I need to join Java full stack? If you have that technical skills, you already from that background, we prefer those courses only. We will say that better than UI, you go to Java full stack, you go to .NET full stack, you go to Python, you have good opportunities. But otherwise, you better stay with this. UI full stack is enough. You can easily manage. And actually, you know, job opportunities, job opportunities for us as UI full stack developers, wide range are there. What are wide range? Do you know what will be your profile in companies? For what kind of jobs you can apply? Remember, you can apply for jobs like UI developer. If company is asking for UI developer, you are suitable for that. You are suitable for MERN stack developer. You are suitable for MERN stack developer. Some companies ask MERN stack developers. MERN. M for MongoDB, E for Express, R for React, and N for Node. All are there in our course. So you are suitable as a MERN stack developer. Some companies ask React developer, only React developer. You are suitable as React developer also because you will learn 100% complete React. Remember, you are not learning React just introduction or anything. You will learn complete React because in your React batches, specialized React developers join that batch. Along with them, you will learn React. That's the reason you can put your profile individually as React developer. If any company asking for React developer, you are suitable for that. So you are suitable as UI developer, you are suitable as MERN stack developer, and you are suitable as React. You are suitable as React developer. So wide range of opportunities are there. And UI developer means some companies ask JavaScript, HTML, CSS, that is enough. I will show you, see the point here. I will show you here, you observe. Suppose I'm showing you, yeah. Suppose let me show you Naukri. This is the Naukri site. And I will show you in the Naukri site, just search for MERN stack developer. You search for MERN stack developer, you will see the job profile will come here. And you see MERN stack developer 0 to 1 year experience, fresher, intern people are also allowed, right? And you can see MERN stack developer job opportunities 0 to 2 years experience. 0 to 2 years experience. Now freshers, you see 2 to 3 years experience, 1 to 3 years experience, 3 to 5 years experience, MERN stack developer. And generally 6 to 9 years experience means 10 to 16 lakh package only for MERN stack. These days for fresher MERN stack developer means he will get a package of a minimum starting 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs is a good package for a fresher, right? And you see, these are all MERN stack. You will be suitable as MERN stack. If companies are asking for, I already showed you one more. If companies are asking for React developer, you are eligible as a React developer also. That means in React, whatever topics they ask, you are going to learn. Whatever concepts I told you now, for experienced people also we plan this. That means whatever topics they ask, you see this is in Hyderabad. and 0 to 3 years. And what they ask for React developers, you are going to see. And see 3 to 5 years experience, some startup companies 8 lakh package they give. So our job profile will be wide. That means our job profile will be like what? UI developer, MERN stack developer, and React developer. Right? We have through 3 types of opportunities. Remember, any person who learned Java full stack or .NET full stack, Python full stack, they can't apply as React developer. Even they learn React in their course, they can't apply as React developer because they know just only 15-20% of React in their technology. Their job is only Java. They cannot apply as UI full stack developer because they are not perfect in JavaScript also. They can't even manage JavaScript also perfectly because their knowledge of JavaScript is limited. React is also limited, or Angular is also limited. They cannot work in that. They know it, but they cannot work in it. So here we have opportunities. There they have only Java developer, only .NET developer. Others they can't handle because they don't have time to learn them, because their backend itself huge. They have to learn so many backend tools. They will not concentrate on front end, right? So here I explained you different job opportunities. I hope you are clear. Understood? All these things, I hope you are clear, right? So who can learn? What are the course contents? What topics we are going to discuss? How much time it will take? What is difference between these? One more concept is there. Means how people ask us doubts in the first session. I am clarifying them, right? Because you came here to learn a course. First, you need a clarity of understanding what you are learning. Is it suitable for you or not, right? Do you need to shift to something else according to your background? That's what you need to know. Another important, many people ask, so what is UI and UX? UX and UI. Remember, in this course, you are not going to learn UX. So this course is only UI, not UX. This course is only UI, not UX. Actually, UX is also a concept. UI itself, so many tools are there. We don't have time for UX also, because UX again becomes very complex. It will take so much time also. But in companies, sometimes they ask, we want UI and UX developer. If they are asking like that, then you are not eligible for UX developer, because UX again, so many tools are required. I will explain the difference. Simple point I will tell you. What is difference between UI and UX developer? For example, we have a civil engineer. What is his role? What is his job? Civil engineer job in a building construction. What is his role? In a building construction, what is the role of a civil engineer? Will he work and construct the building? No, he will prepare the plan, where, which one, what should come, everything. That is UX. That is UX. That means in building a website, how the website should be, how it should work, where which one should come, everything will be planned by a team. That team is what? UX. We are not UX people. We are the people who build it. They will not build it. They don't have idea of building it. They have idea of only plan. That means they are just planning people. They don't build. Building is done by us. That means UX is that. UX means how to plan a website, how it should work, what functionalities it should have, and in which situation what it should do. So all this is prepared in a concept called what? UX. UX. UI is building it. UX is planning it. So you are not going to plan it. You are going to build. Because planning again separate softwares we have to learn. So many tools are there we have to learn. But people after little bit experience on UI, once they start jobs working on UI, they will learn UX also. Then they can learn UX by themselves. Nobody need to teach them. because they are already UI developer, they can learn UX. And if they learn UX, UI UX developer have more opportunities and good packages. Good packages because you are the person who know how to plan and you are the person you know how to build. But initially start with building, not with planning, because only planning we don't want. You say that I will tell how to design, but I cannot design. That's like joke. You can't start your career with UX only. That will be very limited. Very limited. You start your career as UI, then it is wide range. Then you will add, you can add later UX into it. First with UX you go for jobs and later UI, it's not possible. You will not get much opportunities first. You will be restricted. But we have a good demand for both people. That means actually every technology is like that. Have you heard in software technologies like technical consultant, functional consultant? In every software will be there. That means in software companies, we have two kinds of people, technical people, functional people, technical and functional. Functional people are the people who run the business. That means that is the main concept. And technical people will support the business. Our job is supporting. Job is supporting, right? So technically, we are not going to learn anything related to UX here. I will give introduction. Introduction means, however, to build a website, first we need a plan. Without planning, how you will build? So we need a plan. So plan we will learn, but we will not concentrate much on that. Our concentration will be on build, right? So our course is all about what? It is about UI, not about UX. So because many people ask this also regularly, that will you teach UX also? In this course, we are not going to teach any UX. This is only related to UI. Understood? This is only related to UI. One more question is there. One more question is, what type of applications you can build? That means now another question is, after I finish this course, what I can build? What is my complete qualification? Means what I can develop. What is the guarantee we can give that you can develop this, right? What is your job profile? Let's see. What type of applications you can build? I think you people know. Otherwise, I will explain. In software technologies, we have different type of applications like, so we have desktop applications. We have desktop applications. We have web applications. We have distributed applications. Distributed applications. We have mobile applications. We have IoT applications. IoT applications. We have AI applications. Artificial intelligence applications. So we have 2D and 3D gaming applications. Gaming applications. These are different types of applications we are having. That means in software development, you will have these all types of apps. Desktop applications, web applications, distributed applications, mobile, IoT, AI, and 2D and 3D. I will just explain a point, right? See, desktop application means, for example, we take an example of hospital. Somebody is starting a new hospital and they don't have any branches and they don't want any online transactions or anything. So somebody starting a hospital, in that hospital at their reception, they want a computer. In that computer, they want a software. And what that software have to do? Incoming patients, details, billing, medicines, information, all that. There is no any online ordering, online consulting, online appointment booking, nothing is there. Everything happens only offline and they need a software for that. And for them, we need to build one app and give to that. Those type of apps are called desktop. Those type of apps are called desktop application. Desktop application means what? In that computer, we will install an app. It will work only in that. You don't have even access with any internet. You don't need any internet. That means there is nothing related to that. These kind of applications are called as what? Desktop. Web application means they want to watch your details from their mobile, tab, or some other device. They must able to book an appointment through online. They must able to consult doctor online through video conference. They can talk to him. They can take an appointment. They can order medicines. They can get them. Everything they can do online. That means they can even get their scanned documents also online. Right now, these type of applications are called as what? Web. We call them as web applications. We have desktop applications. We have web. Okay. Now, for example, you take example of Apollo Care, some hospitals are there. Now you want to book an appointment in Apollo Hospital. In your mobile, what you will do? You will open browser. Your mobile have browser na? In your mobile, you will open a browser. In that, you will open apollo.com. It is not convenient. Am I right? In a browser of mobile, you open a website and you are doing something is not convenient. What those people tell you, they say that we have an app you install. Then you install one Apollo app, and through that you can connect to Apollo and you can order, you can medicines, everything. That app is not working without internet connection. Internet connection is compulsory. Na? These kind of apps are called distributed. They are not mobile apps. Generally, when I ask, tell me about some mobile apps that you have in mobile, you will say Amazon, Flipkart, Swiggy, Zomato, Blinkit, Netflix, and all these. They are not mobile apps. They are all distributed apps. Officially, we call them as what kind of applications? Distributed. Mobile application means what? Calculator, calendar, phone book, photo gallery, all these comes under what? Mobile. Mobile application means it can run on your mobile and provide you complete service without any internet connection. If any app is not working without internet connection, it is not a mobile app. It is called as an distributed application. We call such application as distributed. So you have desktop applications, you have web applications, and we have distributed applications. Mobile application, just now I told you, they run on mobile native because see, mobile native means again problem will be there. Android, iOS, Windows, different nativeness will be there. So those are all mobile apps. Another IoT. IoT means Internet of Things. IoT means you are wearing a smart watch. You are wearing a smart band. You are wearing a smart ring. These days smart rings also came. What they do, they will calculate how many steps you have taken, how many calories you have burnt, how by using motion and heat sensors. That is what IoT is. IoT applications work with sensors. That means motion sensors, they will work with heat sensors, and they are IoT applications, Internet of Things. We have AI applications. AI applications like what? Siri, Alexa, all these, you can talk to them, you can interact. They are all artificial intelligence apps. You have 2D, 3D gaming applications. You have Xbox, you have PlayStations, you have game consoles. Na? A screen is connected with a steering, and on the screen car is running. Through steering, you are driving it. All this is 2D, 3D gaming apps. In software development, we can make career in so many things. And in this course, we are going to learn web applications and distributed applications. We are going to learn these two. This course will teach you how to build complete end to end, how to build a web app and how to build a distributed application. Our course is about learning these two type of apps, not mobile apps. Because mobile apps requires knowledge of mobile frameworks like Android, iOS, we have to learn them. So our course is to build two types of apps. You can build like Amazon, you can build like Netflix, you can build like Zomato, you can build like Swiggy, right? You can build those kind of applications. You can build like YouTube. You can build all these, right? Your entire work will be web and distributed applications. And how much you can build is complete functionality we can build. Complete functionality of them we can build. That's what web application is. That means in our course we are going to learn two types of apps: web applications and distributed. Generally many people who finish course, they learnt all these technology concept. Many people, they don't do job in companies. Many of our students are doing even freelancing jobs. You know, these days freelancing is very much in demand. Freelancing, you need not to work for a company. Many of our students do freelancing. I will later introduce some of those people to you. You can check with them. They can even guide you in various situations. So they are freelancing. Freelancing people are nothing but, that means freelancing means what? You don't need to work for a company. I will just give an example. A small point I will tell you. Actually, one of my friend, so have a real estate business, and he came to me and asked me like, so can you build a website for me? I want all my real estate business through website. I want all these transactions. We say that we don't have time for that because we are busy with all our classes. We don't have a time for you to do that, but we have our students who can do. We will introduce you to them. Then what I have done, one of my student who do freelancing such jobs, I sent him to him. And only one person, he don't have any team, only one person, but he have a background of already developing so many apps he have done and he maintained. And he went to them, they given a contract, so he built a web application for them according to their business. Do you know how much the cost of that maintain developing application? He charged 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs. And is it a team? No, only one person. 5 lakhs. How much time he took to build it? 1.5 2 months. In 1.5 2 months he built and given. And in 1.5 2 months, so the quote for that is 5 lakhs. And remember, it is not just one time. Again, every month 5,000, 10,000 he charged for maintenance of that site. Understood? Many people are doing that freelancing. I will later introduce you to them so you can even understand how that business works, how that freelancing, how they buy servers, how they maintain apps, how they build them, how they deploy them. You can get a clarity with them. That means just like a guest lecture, we will introduce them to you. They will share their experience with you, what they are doing, how they are doing. Many people are doing that. That means these days, you know, these days we don't need to work for companies. You know, people are having YouTube channels, na? You know, people are having YouTube channels. And do you know how much those people earn per month? 7 lakhs, 10 lakhs per month. Suppose a YouTube channel is there. That YouTube channel is having 1 million subscribers and they uploaded a video. Today they uploaded a video. 1 million people watched that video. With that video per month, they will get 3 lakhs minimum. Many people are quitting government jobs, software jobs, and they are doing YouTube channels, you know. And what specialty about them is they need a team for all type of merchandise. They need a team for video editing, photo editing, website and all. So they give salary of 80,000, 70,000 to even these video editors. And for those kind of people, we can build merchandise apps. Many people are doing that. They need web applications and they don't build web applications. We maintain for them. These days, lot of opportunities are there if you have good confidence on technology you learn. Remember, sitting and learning and listening is not enough. You need to be practically perfect. We will make you try different exercises, examples, exercises we will give. You have to do practical. Once you are good in practical, then only you can handle it. So let just listening will not do everything. You need a good practical knowledge, right? Yeah. I hope you are clear, right? So in this course, what type of applications we are going to build? Two. What are those? Web applications and what? Distributed. So we will start first with web applications. This course we will start with web application. Then we will go into distributed. That means we will learn how to build like Netflix, how to build like Amazon. We are going to learn all these step by step. We will see how to handle them, right? That we will see in our next session. Tomorrow we will continue. Today this is enough. Today I just given you an introduction. Now we will go into the concept technically. What is full stack developer means, what is front end, back end means, what is website, web applications, how they work, how we build them, everything technically we will see. Practically, we will start step by step. To start practically, one more topic you have to understand. What is web? How web application works. So we will start our course with what type of apps? Web applications. So we will tomorrow discuss about that. Tomorrow we will start learning about the concept of web. Okay. And you people, please join this community. I will share a community. You join. I will share the classroom notes and classroom notes. Everything I will share there. This is, let me, yeah, this is our classroom. Yeah. Yeah, this is a WhatsApp community QR code. You please join this through WhatsApp. You can scan this. This is the community. You join this community. You can even join with you open your Google Lens from there also. You scan, direct link will come. Through WhatsApp, you scan this. You will get a community link. You join this community. Okay, got it? Huh? It's a WhatsApp community link. You have Google, open Google. In Google, you have Google Lens. Na? Through Lens, you scan. Sometimes WhatsApp QR. If it is having problem through Google Lens, you scan, you will get that WhatsApp community. You join the community because just now you joined, you can't see the messages previously. Our admin will post messages. We will post course content, Google Drive link where we will upload all the classroom notes step by step. Meanwhile, you keep an habit of writing the notes also along with what I am sharing with you. Keep an habit of writing that. Huh? Right. Got it, everyone? Then we will continue in the next session. Tomorrow we will continue. Tomorrow session we will start learning about web applications, what are web applications, how they work, everything, everything, and practically how to learn, how to start also. We will pay. Tomorrow I'll thank you, right? Thank you. Online people, if you have any doubts, you keep raise your hand. I will get back to you in a while. Offline you. Yes, Bhavani, any doubt? Yes, Bhavani, you have any doubt? You please
Hel-
unmute your. Yes, yeah,
Yeah, hi. I'm Bhavani. Nice to attend the class today.
yeah, yeah.
I'm attending from New Jersey. My doubt is will screening test you spoke about the screening test every
Uh-huh,
2 months, right?
uh-huh, uh.
So will screening test will be conducted for the other country students just like me?
No, no,
Like
it is because screening test here, what happens is people for offline opportunities, companies come directly and they select people here. These
mm-hmm.
days, they are not interested very much in online scrutining people and all.
Oh, okay, okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
majority screening test opportunities will be offline. And we don't
Oh,
have
okay.
online session also for screening test selected people. They are only offline.
Oh, is it? Okay. Mm-hmm.
Screening test is only for offline because that is only for offline clients. Because they particularly tell us that we don't want any online interviews or all these things. We will come to your campus and we will pick up people. That's the reason.
Oh, is it? But
Uh,
you still support us,
Still,
right?
still we will guide you because
Mhm.
so many people are there overseas everywhere. Startups and other companies are there. They keep on asking us for various resources overseas also. We will forward
Mhm.
you all such details. You can attend. You can crack them.
Oh, is it? Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I'm looking forward for it. Yeah, yeah.
Sure.
That was my doubt. Yeah,
Okay.
everything was clear. Thank
Oh,
you.
okay. Thank you.
Mhm.
Yeah. Anyone else? Any doubts are there, online people? If you have any doubt, please you can raise your hand so that I can get back to you. Online people, you have any doubts anymore? Anyone, any issues are there? If you have any doubts, you can raise your hand so that I can get. You all people, please join the community. We will share course content and other details with you. Yeah. So if you don't have any doubts, then we will continue in tomorrow's session. Thank you all for attending this session. Tomorrow we'll continue. Right. Thank you.